Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I'm Amna Shoaib, your SST teacher in grade 1. Today, we will start our unit number 3, which is at school. Yes, you will get to know about a very important place, which is school. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe the school and why we go to school, and list the common objects used and found in the classroom, and define the playground. Okay. Do you know, students, what is school? A school is a place where we go to learn how to read and write. In the school, teachers teach you how to read from the books, tell you how to write, and also explain those things which you do not understand. Do you know there are many classrooms in a school? And in the classrooms, there are many objects like pencils, books, board, notebooks, tables, and chairs. Okay, now I will tell you about your favorite place, which is playground. Do you know, children? Playground is an outdoor or outside place where you go and play during break time, and you can also go there when you will have your game lesson. Okay, after the lesson, I will give you a work, and that is you have to take one white page or a chart paper and draw the building of your school, color it nicely, and also write the name of your school. You can send me the picture of your drawing in your class WhatsApp group, or you can mail me at this email address, which is amna@chandbaghdg.edu.pk. I will get back to you soon with the next lecture. Take care. Goodbye.